To make your spooky house, you'll need a piece of paper, a pair of scissors, and something to draw with. First, draw a tall, thin trapezoid shape. Next, draw an upside down V to make the roof. Then draw 2 parallel lines in the middle of the house. The bottom line should be longer than the other. Then draw 2 diagonal lines to form a trapezoid for the lower roof. Then you're going to draw a smaller trapezoid at the bottom of your house. That's going to make the porch. Now we're going to add a long thin rectangle to the lower roof and to the front porch. This is going to create depth and dimension. Next, we're going to add some windows to the top half of the house and draw a door and a few other windows using simple shapes. Now we're going to draw the horizon line. You can draw a curved or a straight line and then zigzag it on one side to draw a cliff. And to finish it, you're going to draw a vertical line from the very end of your zigzag lines. Now I'm going to show you how to cut the windows so that they open and close. First, you're going to fold along the vertical line of the first window. Next, you're going to cut along the horizontal lines that you drew. So just make 2 cuts, and you should be able to lift it like that. Now you're just going to do the same thing on the other side. Remember, fold along the vertical line that you drew, and you just need to fold that part. You don't need to do the whole paper. Then make 2 cuts, 1, and then 2. And if you did it right, your paper should pop out just like that. Next, you're going to fit the bottom blade of your scissors through the paper and just cut along the vertical line that you drew. So do the same thing on the other side. Cut along the vertical line that you drew, and here you have your shutters that can open. I like to bend my shutters back and crease them by pressing down with my finger so that it's easier for them to open and shut.